The universe hides colossal explosions, so powerful they outshine entire galaxies. A dying star explodes in a supernova brighter than billions of suns. Hypernovae are even stronger, beaming deadly gamma rays across galaxies. A gamma ray burst releases more energy in seconds than our sun will in its lifetime. Magnetars neutron stars with extreme magnetic fields release flares that could fry Earth's satellites. When black holes collide, they shake the universe itself with gravitational waves. Quasars unleash more energy than every star in their galaxy combined. When stars collide, they forge new elements, the building blocks of planets and life. The greatest explosion of all, the Big Bang, gave birth to time, space, and everything we know. From supernova to the Big Bang, the universe's explosions shape galaxies, stars, and even us.